Okay, so in terms of choosing CARPARK, and take a look at this. Yeah, these lifts in the apartment building, probably I did a really bad take of these back in 2016 when there was an open here, and yeah, these lifts have doors number 2, but look, no buttons. That are, like, literally, why do these lifts even stop if they have no buttons? That is weird. Well, obviously that's probably must stop because up there is residence parking. It's likely to have that type of stuff. Well, at least this building actually has a lift. Except it's not an oxygen 2. It's just a 50. It's a 5400. Yeah, let's go down to the first one and see what it looks like down there. Could literally be like the same thing. Same thing, to be honest. So if that is yeah. But yeah, what's the third floor then? And look, it's the same thing. First floor, it's literally no call buttons. Just what the hell? And yeah, there was the 5400. There's actually another one that serves the offices, and it's literally wow, it's one floor lower, like marginally lower, to be honest. But yeah, let's see what the third floor has to offer. Let's see if it's the same. Okay, this is the floor 4, and yep, Gen 2, there are the Gen 2s. Just about to see them. Yeah, you won't be able to get them because I've already can't, but yeah, the floors actually have call buttons there. Just flipping weird, to be honest, so, yeah. Well, and now let's look at this lift before we head out. Yeah, 5400. It's got disabled as well, so that's nice. I wonder if you can see the bottom. 7. Look back. About 7. And let's quickly see what it looks like up here. And yeah, you can't really see in there, so and for some reason it's buzzing, so but yeah, this looks like on floor 7. Yeah, there's your logic cabinet, and there is the other lift. Oh, that's weird, that didn't shine. Had like a delay, I think. Your ground lights up in black, so that's nice. And I won't look at the other lift because they're just the same as this lift. I got ground. Yeah, literally just the same lift. And here it goes. And yeah, if anyone knows, you're wondering, literally the entrance to the apartment is just there. And well, I am not going to film it because there's someone coming outside, so that's it.